Mastering antonyms in academic texts. Expand your vocabulary. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on advanced English vocabulary. Today we're going to dive into an exciting topic: understanding antonyms in academic contexts. This is an essential aspect of vocabulary development, especially for those who want to excel in academic or professional English. It'll help you understand complex texts and improve your writing by using diverse vocabulary. Let's get started. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. Recognizing antonyms can greatly help in understanding the context and the overall message of a text. For example, the antonym of happy is sad, and for increase, it's decrease. However, in an academic context, we often encounter less common and more complex antonyms, such as quantitative and qualitative, or objective and subjective. Identifying antonyms in academic texts can be tricky, especially when the words are complex. But don't worry, there are strategies to help you. 1. Context clues. Often, academic texts provide hints or clues that help in understanding the meaning of unfamiliar words. For instance, words like unlike, as opposed to, or, in contrast to, can indicate that an antonym is being used. 2. Prefixes and suffixes. In many cases, antonyms are formed by adding a prefix or changing the suffix of a word. For example, logical becomes illogical, and accept becomes reject. 3. Thesaurus usage. Using a thesaurus can greatly assist in identifying and understanding antonyms. It's a tool that lists words in groups of synonyms and antonyms. To fully grasp antonyms, it's important to practice. Try to spot antonyms in academic articles, textbooks, or even news articles. Start with words you know, and gradually move to more complex vocabulary. Here's a little exercise. Try to find the antonyms in this sentence. The study provides a qualitative analysis, as opposed to a quantitative approach, to understand the subjective perception of happiness. Well, that wraps up our session on understanding and identifying antonyms in academic texts. Remember, the more you practice, the more naturally it will come to you. We hope you found this lesson helpful. Join us next time as we continue to explore the fascinating world of academic English vocabulary. Happy learning!